Can we have a round of applause for these children? Okay, we are going to sing it again because lots of your parents want to take it properly on a mic because sharing it on social media is very important. So we are going to sing it again with the mic. This time I'm going to request the audience to keep the beat for you. They will be the thalam for you and you will sing it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Anbe.